For the robust receipt program, it is very similar to the previous program where you're reading information about 3 products and printing a receipt. But this one has a few twists. First is that now you're reading the product name as well as the price and weight, as well as you're implementing some error checks for bad values. And lastly, you're going to be taking input here from a file using something called input redirection. So let's run this program and see what the output looks like. So let's first look at our data. So let's look at the first file, which is input good. And you notice that there are 3 product names here and the values of the price and weight. And so let's run this. Okay, notice that you see this funny output at the top. So previously, when we were entering the values, it was nicely formatted. Now here, since you're redirecting input from a file, the new line is no longer being typed and then exists in the file, so you don't see it properly here. But this is perfectly fine, right? And then you print the output. Notice all the decimals are nicely aligned and the receipt looks quite good. Let's look at the next one. Here you have a bad price value for Captain Crunch. So let's run this. And you notice you get sorry, invalid data for when you get to Captain Crunch price. Let's look at the last one. And here the problem is that instead of the Wonder Bread price, you have some textual characters. Let's see what happens there. And when you get to the Wonder Bread price, it detects that and says, sorry, invalid data.